Using the number line in addition and subtraction. First, what is a number line? The number line is like the city of numbers, on which you can find all numbers by order starting from 0 to infinity. And each time we move forward on the number line, you will get bigger numbers. So, what is the importance of the number line? We can use these number lines to make many operations. We can use it to add and subtract. But first, you have to know what is the number line rules. To add and subtract on the number line, first you have to stop at the bigger number. When you have the mathematical sentence, you have to see where is the bigger number and you stop at, and the small number is always the number of jumps. So how can I jump forward or backward? You will look at the sign. If we have plus, we will move forward. If we have minus, we will move backward. That's simply because that on the number line, when we move forward, we get bigger number. And when we move backward, we get smaller numbers. And this is the meaning of addition and subtraction. Let's see some examples. Add and subtract using the number line. Here I have the number line starting from 0 and going on with numbers. The first example is 7 plus 5. I have here addition sentence, so I will see where is the bigger number and I will stop at, I have here 7 and 5, the two add-ins, so I will stop at 7, which is the bigger number, and the small number, which is 5, is the number of jumps. So when I stop at 7, how can I jump forward or backward? I will look at the sign. I have here plus, so that I will make 5 jumps forward. Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here I stop at 12, so that the answer should be 12. The other example, 11 minus 4. Here I will stop at the bigger number. The bigger number here is 12, so that this 12 will be the number I will land on. So we will stop at 12 because this is the big number, and the small number here is 4. 4 is the number of jumps, so we will make 4 jumps. Forward or backward, we will look at the sign. Here I have minus, so that I will move backward. So count with me. 4 steps backwards. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I stop here at 7, so the answer should be 7. 4 more examples. Subtract using the number line. Here I have 20 minus 5. We said that on the number line or using the number line, we have to stop at the big number. The big number here is 20, so we will land on 20, or we will stop at 20. And the small number is the number of jumps, so we will make 5 jumps backward or forward. I have here minus. When we have plus, we move forward. When we have minus, we move backward, so that I will make 5 steps backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I stop at 15, so that the answer should be 15. In another example, I have here 9 minus 2. So I will stop at the big number. The big number here is 9, so we will land at 9. And the small number is the number of jumps. So how many jumps will you make? I will make 2 jumps. And I have here minus, so I will move backward 2 jumps. 1 and 2. I stop at 7, so the answer here should be 7. And we also can imagine this number line on our mind and count back in minus and count on in plus without looking at the number line, so that if I have, for example, this 20 minus 5, I will raise 5 hands on my fingers, then count back. What's before 20? 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. So the answer here should be 15. And if I have 9 minus 2, I will raise 2 fingers on my hand and I will count back 2 steps without looking at the number line. I have to say what's before 9, 8 and 7, so the answer here should be 7.